In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in Canva. If you're creating a presentation, a social media video, or a reel, one of the fastest ways to make it feel more polished is by smoothing out the jump from one page to the next. Without transitions, your project can feel abrupt and a little unrefined. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple, and you do not need advanced editing skills to do it. To begin, make sure you open an actual video or presentation workspace first. This is important because Canva's transition tools only appear inside a multi-page design. From your Canva dashboard, click Create a Design in the top right area. Then choose a format like video, mobile video, or presentation. If you already have a project started, you can simply open that existing file instead. Once it loads, you should be able to see the editing canvas along with multiple pages in your project. Next, look down toward the bottom of the screen where your page timeline appears. You'll see your pages lined up side by side. Now move your cursor into the small space between two pages, such as between page 1 and page 2. When you hover in that narrow gap, Canva reveals a hidden transition control. This can be easy to miss at first, so take your time and place your cursor carefully between the pages. When that control appears, click the option labeled Add Transition. As soon as you do that, a panel will open on the left side of the screen showing Canva's available transition styles. This is where you can browse through the different effects and choose one that fits the tone of your project. Before applying anything, it's a good idea to preview a few options. Hover over effects like dissolve, slide, line wipe, or match and move to see how they look. Canva gives you a quick preview so you can judge whether the motion feels smooth, energetic, subtle, or more dramatic. Once you find one you like, click it to apply it between those pages. After that, customize the timing so the transition matches your pacing. In the same panel, adjust the duration setting to make the transition faster or slower. If the selected effect includes direction controls, you can also change the way the movement flows across the screen. This helps your project feel more intentional and consistent. Finally, if you want the same transition across your whole design, go to the bottom of the transition panel and click Apply between all pages. That saves time and gives your project a uniform look. When everything looks right, use the Share or Download option in the top right corner to save or export your finished design. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.